You know the words for left, right, and straight, but when someone actually asks you for directions, your mind goes blank. I'm Emily, and today you'll learn exactly how to ask for and give directions in English like a confident speaker. Miss just one phrase today, and you'll still be stuck pointing and hoping someone understands you. So, Bran, imagine you're visiting a new city and you need to find the nearest coffee shop. What do you say?
Honestly, I'd probably just use my phone.
Okay, but what if your phone dies?
Then I'm in trouble.
Exactly. That's why we're doing this. First thing, you need to politely stop someone. You say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me.
Perfect. Now add this. "Could you help me?" Say that.
Could you help me?
Great. Now put them together. "Excuse me, could you help me?"
Excuse me, could you help me?
Nice. Now you need to say what you're looking for. "I'm looking for the coffee shop." Try it.
I'm looking for the coffee shop.
Excellent. Full sentence now. "Excuse me, could you help me? I'm looking for the coffee shop."
Excuse me, could you help me? I'm looking for the coffee shop.
Perfect. That's your basic question. Now, what if someone gives you directions? They might say, "Go straight,"
Go straight. That's easy.
"right," or "turn left,"
Turn left.
or "turn right."
Turn right.
Exactly. But here's what confuses people. They'll say, "Go straight for 2 blocks."
Wait, blocks?
A block is the distance between 2 straights. In American cities, we measure by blocks.
Oh, okay. So go straight for 2 blocks means keep going straight until I pass 2 streets.
Yes. Practice this. Say, "Go straight for 2 blocks."
Go straight for 2 blocks.
Good. Say it again.
Go straight for 2 blocks.
Excellent. Now here's another one. "It's on your left,"
It's on your left.
or "It's on your right."
It's on your right.
Perfect. Let's put it all together. Imagine I'm giving you directions. Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left. The coffee shop is on your right.
Okay, got it. But what if I don't understand? What do I say?
Great question. You say, "Could you repeat that, please?"
Could you repeat that, please?
Yes, or you can say, "I'm sorry, I didn't understand."
I'm sorry, I didn't understand.
Exactly. Now let me teach you something really useful. When someone finishes giving directions, you should confirm. You can say, "So I go straight and then turn left?"
So I go straight and then turn left.
Perfect. That way, if you got it wrong, they can correct you right away.
That's smart.
And always end with, "Thank you so much."
Thank you so much.
Now let's practice the whole thing. I'll be the person on the street. You ask me for directions to the bank.
Excuse me, could you help me? I'm looking for the bank.
Sure. Go straight for 3 blocks, then turn right. The bank is on your left.
So I go straight for 3 blocks and turn right.
Yes, exactly.
Thank you so much.
Perfect. See how natural that was? Now, what if you're the one giving directions? Someone stops you and asks, "Excuse me, where is the post office?"
I'd say go straight for 1 block, then turn left.
Good, but add this at the beginning. Sure, or of course. It sounds friendlier.
Oh, right. Sure, go straight for 1 block, then turn left.
Much better. Now, here's a tricky one. What if you don't know?
I say, I don't know.
Yes, but nicely. Say, "I'm sorry, I'm not from here."
I'm sorry, I'm not from here.
Perfect. Or you can say, "I'm not sure, sorry."
I'm not sure, sorry.
Exactly. It's honest and polite. One more thing. Sometimes people say, "It's next to the library," or "It's across from the park."
Next to means beside it.
Yes, and across from means on the other side of the street.
Got it.
Let's practice one more time. Ask me where the subway station is.
Excuse me, could you help me? I'm looking for the subway station.
Of course. Go straight for 2 blocks, turn right, and it's next to the grocery store on your left.
So I go straight, turn right, and it's next to the grocery store.
Exactly.
Thank you so much.
Perfect. You did great. Remember, the key phrases are "Excuse me, could you help me?" and "I'm looking for." Then listen for "Go straight," "Turn left," "Turn right," and "It's on your left" or "on your right." If you didn't catch it, just say, "Could you repeat that, please?" You're ready now. Here's my question for you. What's one place in your city that tourists always ask about? Tell me in the comments. And if this helped you feel more confident about asking for directions, subscribe so you don't miss our next lesson. Thanks for practicing with us today.